Cut and run. Cut and run. It's an idiom. It means to run away from one's problems. That is, to get out of a situation when it becomes too difficult or unpleasant. Let us see it in the examples. When the pressure began to mount, many in the management decided to cut and run. So when the problem increased, when the pressure increased in the management, many employees try to avoid it, stop the job, and they get out of the company. Second one, Raju's cowardly decision to cut and run was criticized by everyone. So Raju was good, but when the problem came, he stopped everything and he ran away. He went somewhere. So everybody criticized him for doing such thing. Third one, you can't just cut and run when your friends are in trouble. This is very, very important. So we have to help the friends who are in trouble. When you escape such situation, you are really just cut and run. Fourth one, the robbers tried to cut and run when they heard the approaching sirens. The thieves came for some kind of theft, but suddenly they heard police sirens. So immediately they stopped everything. They cut and run. Fifth one, when she got pregnant, he cut and run. When she was pregnant, the guy who was responsible for the pregnancy ran away from her. So that's the reason he cut and run. So when we look at the origin of this idiom, cut and run, the expression comes from the world of sailing. In the old days, when a ship that was at anchor came under attack, the sailors, in order to make a quick getaway, cut the rope to which the anchor was tied. Instead of going through the lengthy process of raising the anchor and then setting sail, they merely cut the rope and allowed the ship to run before the wind. So, from the world of sailing, this idiom cut and run has been come into force. So, which means to run away from one's problems.